Dior. This bag and this box could change my relationship with Dior Beauty Australia forever. And I love Dior. You know I love Dior. You know, maybe their loyalty program isn't what I thought it was. So I did do a video of their loyalty program when it first rolled out, and I was really excited about it because I thought this is going to be excellent for people that can't get into the boutiques and build up those relationships that we can, you know, with the SAs. And I thought this is going to be great because everyone's going to be treated equally. I mean, I know there's obviously some other special events. I'm not talking about that. But I just thought as far as, you know, gifting and samples and things like that, I just kind of thought this is going to be great. Just across the board, around the world, everybody has to spend the same amount, climb the same tier structure, and we're all rewarded the same. And I thought this is going to be great. Unfortunately, it hasn't exactly been the case. So Australia has kind of fallen a little bit short in the rewards program. I am a platinum member. I don't know if I just said that. But let's do some examples. As a platinum member, I'm allowed to choose 2 samples with every purchase. So let's just say I purchase a lipstick, okay? I would then go ahead and choose my samples. These would be the types of samples that would be allowed or allocated for me to choose from. A perfume sample like this and a 1 ml serum sample. If in America I was to purchase the same lipstick, that Platinum Rewards member would then get to choose from samples like this. So this is a 5 ml sample of the same serum, and this is a, I don't know how many ml small bottle of perfume. And we're making the same purchase, we're spending the same money, but straight off the bat, we're already different. We're rewarded differently. And that's the case too with like birthday gifts, Christmas gifts. Australians don't get Christmas gifts. This year, so the year just gone, we did get small packs of cards. However, like the birthday gift I got this year was the same as the birthday gift last year. And I'm going to put some examples up of what, say, the USA have and get as their platinum birthday gifts and their gold birthday gifts, which is the tier down, compared to the Australian. And in the picture that I show you, they are both samples. So it was very disappointing. So since my birthday gift this year, I've kind of felt a little disheartened. I really love the brand. You can see I love the brand. But I've just kind of felt a little disheartened because I thought, oh, I got the same gift and then you kind of see everyone else online and you get sort of that little envious of, oh, okay, well, you know, they're getting these really cool, beautiful gifts, and Australia just sort of seems like a bit of an afterthought. So yesterday I just sort of put it out there, you know, that I'd sent an email off to customer service, and I put it on TikTok, and I got a lot of people just agreeing, saying, you know, they've got platinum memberships as well, and they feel like they're receiving the same gifts year after year, and they're seeing that other countries are getting more substantial gifts than they are, and they too are starting to shop around and spend their money elsewhere. But they love the brand just like I do. It's just disheartening. So anyway, this platinum gift is my renewal gift for 2026. And I think this is going to really cement for me whether or not I'm going to continue the platinum journey, or I'm going to allow my accounts to drop and not really focus on renewing. Up until my birthday, I had always made sure that I hit all the milestones that I needed to maintain the platinum membership. And I have a second account that's due to go platinum in October. And I have a facial at the end of this month. So I would have normally purchased at that event and made sure that that second account got over platinum, became platinum for the rest of the year. But I'm actually starting to lean towards not doing that, and maybe might maintain my main account. I do already think that I'm not going to spend the money that I have been spending on the skincare. I usually do most of my skincare, or all of my skincare, I should say, is Prestige and Lord of E, and I don't think I'm going to do that anymore. I think I've already decided that I'm breaking up with this Dior skincare, and I'm going to just buy the perfumes and makeup that I love. And I'm pretty sure that'll bring my accounts down. But I don't feel like I'm going to be missing out on anything. But let's see. We'll have a look and we'll see if this actually changes anything, and I'll get back to you. Okay, well, it's pretty. I think if this was my first year as a platinum member, I would probably really like it. However, I have quite a few of these bags. It's okay, but I would have liked something new. Like I have this. I won't use this. I do have the sleep mask in the same material, and I have 100 of these bags. I do think that might have cemented my decision. What do you guys think? Do you think the loyalty program in Australia is worth the amount of money that we must spend to get anything? Let me know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Let me know in the comments what you think of the gift, if you're new to the program, if you're like me, been on the program since it came out, and what do you think of your gifts? Unfortunately, I really love Dior. But I'm trying to find really positive words to say, and I'm struggling. I'm disappointed. We'll see if Dior get back to me. I'm not going to hold my breath. I don't see the rewards program changing, but maybe, if enough of us speak out, they might listen. Who knows? Anyway, it is what it is. I'm still going to buy Dior. I'm still going to purchase makeup and perfume from Dior, because I do love that stuff. I just don't think I'm going to try and maintain a status or a tier in a loyalty program that doesn't reward me as a loyal customer. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Can't wait to hear what you guys think in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao, bye.